Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to reset chat theme in Instagram. We start by opening Instagram and entering the conversation that we want to personalize. Then click on the user's name at the top. Here we will see the theme option and click on it. Here we will see a list of options to change the theme. In this case, we are going to scroll down and choose the default option to return to the original white theme. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.